Do it again! Do it again!
Don't do it again.
But it,
No.
Nobody learned it smells weird.
smell it.
Not gonna lie. Can I stink like honeysuckle?
No.
You're gonna light it on fire.
Elliot smelled like,
What is it?
Jesse? It smells cool when you blew it now.
Oh, you want me to light like
No.
Wait! No!
No, Tamika, no.
Becky's vibrating.
I am?
Whoa.
Woo!
What do you got in there?
Weird.
Elliot.
Oh, let me see.
Can I take your order?
I'm recording.
Oh, it's another. Yeah, make it perfect. One blowjob.
Extra chocolate sauce?
Say that again, Marcos.
Huh?
Say that again.
The one blowjob?
Where you at, son?
What? Why are you laughing?
Oh.
By Starbucks?
I'm not that.
Well, we're not at Starbucks. We're over here almost by
Get a
7-Eleven.
blowjob.
Those
Give
lips.
you a blowjob.
Becky, a blowjob.
Oh, yeah.
Those lips.
So, come on, cook it.
We're sitting.
No, I'm not done. Oh, I got
Jesus.
fun, I got
Say bye for the camera.
Check it
I'm
out.
gonna turn it off. Just say bye, please. Wait, I didn't get your hand.
Okay, I got
Okay.